Excellency, the Prime Minister of Somalia, Excellency, Advisor and General Supervisor of the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, Excellency Ambassador and Assistant Secretary General for Humanitarian, Social and Cultural Affairs of the OIC, Honorable Ministers of the Federal Government of Somalia, the Commissioner of the Somalia National Disaster Management Agencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, good afternoon, and it really is my pleasure to be here this afternoon with you. I'm truly honored to join you to celebrate the launch of these new projects under the leadership of the Federal Government of Somalia and supported by the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center. On behalf of the United Nations, you do have our congratulations on launching this important package of projects covering the areas of food security, health, education, water, shelter, amongst others. The King Salman Center has been at the forefront of providing emergency relief and other essential services to those affected by natural disasters, conflict, and other humanitarian crises across the world, including in Somalia, touching the lives of millions of men, women, children, and the most vulnerable populations. And today, we are seeing a continuation and a deepening of this partnership with the launch of these new initiatives that have been signed today, led by the federal government, working very closely with humanitarian and development partners. And I do believe this partnership is a testament to the joint vision and commitment of the federal government of Somalia, the King Salman Center, working with partners both in the United Nations and the humanitarian community at large to make a positive difference through connecting humanitarian development and peace initiatives on the ground. I'm very pleased to see the leadership of the federal government ministries in all of these projects, and also the wide range of partners, both from within the UN system, from civil society, and from others. And I'm truly encouraged that this lineup of projects will reach over 4.5 million beneficiaries. This does come just 2 days before we launch the 2024 Somalia Humanitarian Needs and Response Plan, which was developed in partnership with the federal government of Somalia through SODMA, the Somalia Disaster Management Agency. The outlook for 2024 on the humanitarian front does show improvement from 2023, but the humanitarian outlook continues to remain quite critical. Climate shocks, conflict, insecurity, disease outbreaks continue to drive humanitarian needs. And while the humanitarian plan shows that the number of people in 2024 has decreased by 17% from 8.3 million in 2023 to 6.9 million in 2024, that number does still remain high and above the 5-year average. And this is very much the result of the cumulative impact of the tremendous shocks that the country has seen over the course of the past years. Certainly the protracted drought that the country experienced, as well as the El Nino-related flooding that took place late last year. So colleagues, we do hope that these new projects and the contributions will contribute to meeting these needs in a very focused and impactful way. Together, we must commit to make bold steps to reach out to those who are furthest behind. And I'm very proud and appreciative of the tireless efforts of the government and humanitarian partners, together with key donors, to support those most in need in Somalia. And I do express in this respect my key appreciation to the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center for so robustly contributing to these efforts through the projects being put forward today, as well as to all partners for ensuring that this support achieves the best impacts for people on the ground, especially those most vulnerable. Thank you very much.